What's wiggling, wear noticers? It's your boy, Mr. CEO, Big Daddy Shane Mumma of this beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel that is Wear Notice. And guys, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this bad boy right here. Something super duper special. It is the one and only Apple Card, Apple's very own credit card. So without further ado, let's get to getting this bad boy out of the box, baby. Ooh. Wear notice, wear notice, wear notice, wear notice. I got the tech and you already know this. Straight out the box and straight to your screen. I'm making tech vids oh so clean. Wear notice, wear notice, wear notice, wear notice. Making them wiggle and wiggle like wear notice. 4 years later now, who want beef? I got subs and they watching me. So folks, here we are up close and personal with the Apple Card box. And I'm not gonna lie, it's not very exciting. It's literally just a blank cardboard box. But hey, what do you expect from a credit card unboxing? Even though this is Apple, they certainly kept the box boring, and well, I don't really care right now. Anyway, let's get out of the box, baby. So all we gotta do to do just that is just peel this arrow right here. Boop, boop, boop. Ooh, that is difficult to peel. And boom, now let's open it up, baby. And here it is. Here's the good stuff. Pull this out. And now this is a bit more exciting. We've got the Apple logo. This more looks like Apple packaging in an all-white package right here. So let's open it up, baby, and see my Apple Card. And voila, Shane Mumma. And it says you can activate your card by waking iPhone and holding here. So I will do just that. We've got my iPhone right here, nice and unlocked. And let's hold it right there. Boop, boop, boop. I'm holding it. And look at this, folks, Apple Card. Now we can just tap right here, activate, and wait for it, wait for it. Boom, boom, boom. It is ready. So continue, and my card's activated. That's pretty cool. So folks, now that we got this bad boy activated, before I show you what the app looks like, which is super duper cool, I'm gonna show you what the card is like. So let's pop it out of this packaging right here. Boop, boop, boop. And here it is. Wow. That is solid. That feels nice and heavy, which does make sense because this bad boy is made of titanium. And wow, yeah, as I wave this around, I'm definitely noticing this is quite a substantial card right here. Wow, you can even slap it. Look at that, look at that. It barely bends, maybe just a tiny little bit, and that is just super duper cool. It's got my name right here, Shane Mumma, etched in the titanium. I believe it's laser etched. We've got the Apple logo right here. We've got the little chip right here. And then on the back of the card, we got the little swipey area. It says MasterCard because it does use MasterCard, and it says Goldman Sachs because that is the issuing bank for this card. So yeah, as you'll notice, this card is super duper simple, super duper minimalistic because it doesn't even have the credit card number on it, which I think is super duper cool because it lets me, for example, show this card freely in my video without me being worried about my credit card number getting out there or anything. And it also adds more security because let's say you hand this card to maybe, I don't know, like a cashier at a shop or whatever. They can't just see your credit card number and memorize it or take a picture of it or anything like that because it is just physically not on the card, which I can't say it enough. I think that's super duper awesome. I think other credit cards should start doing this too, but right now, Apple's got it figured out. So yeah, and I can't say it enough. This card feels super duper substantial as I keep waving it around. Listen to that noise it makes. It is solid. It is metal. This is just awesome. I feel like I've taken my boss level definitely up a notch with this bad boy right here. And now folks, just listen to this. Listen to this. If I drop it, do you hear that noise? Wow, that is satisfying. Look at that. Feels like I dropped maybe like a metal silverware or something because I don't know, just a titanium credit card. This is just super awesome. I feel like a true boss right now. So anyway, folks, moving on for a bit from the physical super duper cool titanium Apple Card right here, let's look more at the app right here, Apple's own wallet app where the credit card lives. As you can see, I've actually been using this credit card already because as soon as Apple approves you for it, you can actually start using it because the main card lives digitally in Apple Pay. So you don't actually have to activate this physical card to start using it. So I've been using this card already whenever I would use Apple Pay. So now, for example, if we look through my transactions right here, you can see I've used it quite a bit for Uber because obviously you can use Apple Pay for Uber. I've used it for DoorDash, and I've also used it a little bit at the airport. I've used it to pay off my Apple bill, and yeah, stuff like that. So that is pretty cool. And now one of the coolest little things for people who like stuff that looks good is actually the digital version of the Apple Card in the Apple Wallet right here actually changes color based on what you buy for it. So each color represents a different spending category, and as you buy something in that category, the card changes color. So as you can see mine right here, it started off all white like the physical card, but now it's green, blue, orange, a little bit of purple because of the different categories I've spent. So now, for example, if we tap right here under weekly activity, we can see a little nice colorful chart of my various weekly spending by the day and also by category. So for example, you can see that the food and drink category, it's orange, travel category green, transportation category blue, etc., etc. And yeah, I really like this whole weekly spending view right here because it really gives you a good sense of where your money is going, which I think is very important for a credit card because you need to know how you're spending your money so you can budget it so you know what you're doing. And now another cool thing with the Apple Card is the cash back. So now, unlike other credit cards, on the Apple Card, you actually get new cash back on a daily basis based on if you use your card. So for example, you don't have to wait until the end of the month to get your entire month of cash back to be able to use it. So every time you make a transaction, once that transaction goes through, your cash back from that transaction, it will be ready day by day as it comes in. So for example, if we look at my own app right here, we could tap daily cash and look at all the cash back I've gotten. As you can see, I've already gotten the cash back from this Uber I took on Friday, and I didn't have to wait until the end of the month to be able to get that money back, which I just think is super awesome. So now I'm sure you want to know what the actual cash back rates are on the Apple Card. So if you buy anything at the Apple Store or on the Apple Online Store or at a various number of select services, like for example Uber, you're going to get 3% cash back with this card, which I just think is awesome because as you can see, I do use Uber quite a bit at this current time. So yeah, that's definitely good for me. And then anywhere you use Apple Pay at any other retailer that isn't Apple or one of their select services, you get 2% cash back. And then anywhere else, so for example, if you're using this physical card to swipe at maybe the grocery instead of using Apple Pay, you get 1% cash back. So yeah, it is tiered like that. You've got 3 different rates, 1%, 2%, and 3%. And one more cool thing about the app is you can see the individual percent cash back you get on every single transaction, so you know exactly what you're getting back. So for example, on this Uber I took on Friday, if we tap that, as you can see right there, I got 3% cash back on that. It clearly says that. We could tap it and we can look at all my different Uber transactions as well as the amount of daily cash I got back. And now once you get that daily cash back, it goes over here actually to the Apple Cash card that you have in your wallet, and as you can see, it all tallies up right there. And then when you're ready, whenever you feel like it, you can bring the balance of the Apple Cash card into your bank, and you're not limited to wait until like the end of the month, which gets super duper annoying. You can get that cash back as soon as it's available to you once your transaction processes, which again, I think is super awesome. So yeah, folks, that's a quick synopsis of the Apple Card right here. I've been enjoying using it digitally thus far, as you guys can tell right here, and I'm very excited to use this physical card right here as well. Once again, this titanium that's made of, super duper awesome, super duper minimalistic. I definitely really like this guy. So yeah. Anyway, folks, that'll be all for this Warenotice video. So if you enjoyed it, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. After all, I do love all my subscribers, so if you want my love, you know what to do. Smash that subscribe button and I'll love you. So thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with the Apple Card, baby. Ooh.